one at a time. Okay? Yes, you're right. You all heard correctly. Plants don't feel pain. They don't have a brain. They don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. And you have a heart, so you know where to start. So don't take too long and be vegan from now on.
Do it!
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher. She will show you how.
Hi! So you heard a rumor, and you believed it. Didn't you learn at an early age that when you hear things that you should apply your critical thinking skills and just check it out for yourself? You know, there's so many people here who said, I thought you were dead. They don't say, I heard a rumor. They say that they heard the rumor and they believed it. So did you learn anything here today? Did you learn that maybe when you hear things, you should investigate yourself? Like, you know, when your parents tell you it's okay to drink milk or it's good for you, maybe check that out by going to Dairy is Scary and finding out the truth. Don't listen to everything that people tell you. Go and investigate. When people tell you it's okay to eat cows, why don't you find out how we torture them in society? Go vegan. Well, congratulations, you're becoming vegan again, because we all know that everybody is born vegan and you're just simply returning to your roots. That's great. And your school principal is also vegan. Wow. Does your principal have any kind of power in the school to be able to decide that no dead animals are going to enter through the doors? I'd be really interested in that. Like, is your school principal an actual ethical vegan who will also make statements like, you know what, we shouldn't be stealing milk from baby cows, and we shouldn't be murdering baby cows, and we don't want to promote that dairy industry, so therefore we're going to encourage everybody to not be bringing cheese and milk and yogurt into the school? If that was the case, that would be very awesome. Yeah. Anyway, let me know. Write me some more comments. Tell me how it's all turning out. Anyway, I'm proud of you. Hi. Well, I'm here basically answering kind of any random comments that come up, and yours was next. I'm not sure why you feel the need to tell us that you're gay. Like, it has nothing to do with anything. Like, what you do in the privacy of your own home or someone else's home, it's like up to you. There's nothing wrong with being gay, but I'm not sure why you feel the need to tell all of us. And you're also telling all of us that you're an animal abuser. You pay people to hurt animals. Everyone who is not vegan is taking part in this cycle of violence. So maybe, as a person who is gay, you have probably experienced some sort of oppression. So if you don't like oppression, why do you pay for others to be oppressed? The meat, dairy, and egg industries are absolutely horrible. They treat animals with so much cruelty, I can't even begin to tell you. So be vegan. That's it. Tell me that you're vegan next time. Okay, so you think it's a good idea to storm my house and to come and steal from me, to take away Bella, my vegan dog. Have you thought this through? Have you thought about who else might be in the house? Yeah, what are you going to do when my mother-in-law, who's 82 years old and who loves Bella, who spends all day with her, when she comes at you with a frying pan? Or worse. Have you thought about that? Have you also thought about what Bella's going to do when you show up at our house? Do you think she's just going to randomly come to you? Or do you think she might think that maybe you look like dinner to her? You know, after all, she hasn't eaten meat in a long time and you might just look really delicious. Or how about you just, send me a vegan pizza? Is that a better idea? So you think that dogs should not be vegan? What do you base that on? Have you seen the latest research on this matter? Turns out that vegan dogs are some of the healthiest dogs. Yeah. You know, you can feed your dog vegan kibble, which has all the nutrients, all the vitamins, and all the protein that you could possibly want your dog to have. Additionally, you don't have to pay for murder. You don't have to bring dead bodies into your house. So it seems to me like everyone wins. The vegan dogs win, and all the other animals that are normally killed. You know what I mean? Doesn't that seem like the right thing to do? How about you Google it? Latest studies about vegan nutrition for dogs. Just go ahead and check it out. You'll see. You should be vegan, and so should your dog. Okay, so you think that I am going to become anorexic at any time now, I guess. So when exactly does a person become anorexic when they're vegan? Is it like after a week or a couple months? Maybe a year? Because I'm very soon going to be vegan for 6 years. And I still haven't felt that sense of anorexia kicking in. In fact, I live to eat. I am so excited to be able to eat. I look forward to every meal, and there are so many delicious vegan foods out there. So here's the suggestion for you. Maybe instead of saying things like statements as if they're facts when they're actually false, you could simply ask the question, you know? And while you're at it, why don't you do some research, and why don't you become vegan yourself? You can do it.
You've been vegan for how long now? That's amazing! Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Whether you've been vegan for a lifetime or just a minute, welcome to the club. We're so glad you're in it. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Everywhere around the world, animals are lining up to thank you for your compassion and for allowing your heart to open up. Thanks for putting veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. Thanks for opening up your heart. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's